Well, here we have an NHS cake and matching cupcakes. A lady who works at Clifton Medical Centre wanted to surprise her colleagues and give themselves a well-deserved treat after everything that's been going on and the hard work they've been putting in to get us all better and keep us safe. So we've got a little white and blue 6-inch Victoria sponge with the Clifton Medical Centre A-team. All NHS workers are definitely the A-team. And some little cupcakes as well, with some edible prints backed onto some fondant to make little cupcake toppers. But yeah, very simple and plain, but it says it all, doesn't it? Thank you, NHS.